Today I'll be using black and gold to make an amazing feather. Did I say a feather? I'll be actually doing 3 feathers, beautiful and unique in their own ways. Check it out. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Camille. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'll be doing a feather, well 3 feathers on 3 different canvases for a friend of mine. She wanted it all in gold, so of course the color I'll be using will be listed in the description below. It's just 2 gold, so it's 24 karat gold by DecoArt. It's an extreme sheen paint, and then I've added champagne gold, so it's like a softer gold, so it's gonna be like a 2-tone shade gold effect, which is beautiful. That extreme sheen paint, the 24 karat, is just bright and beautiful. Check it out guys, I hope you love this one. Here is a close-up of the wet result for the first one. Absolutely beautiful. This was done on 11 by 14 inch canvas. I just love that gold. The 24 karat gold, so beautiful. Let's get into doing the other 2 on the smallest canvas, which is 8 by 10. Check it out guys. Thank you. Let's check out the close-up of the wet result, guys. Wow, this was my second pour. Amazing. I do love it. The gold is just stunning. What do you guys have to say about this one? And here is my third pour. Beautiful. The gold is so bright. I think this one has a little bit more of the 24 karat gold. It's just amazing. And I do think this is also my favorite feather. Let me know which one you guys like at the end of my video, guys. Leave me a comment after seeing the dry result. Thank you. Wow, here is a dried result. So beautiful, so shiny. Not yet varnished, but it's just beautiful. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm thinking I'm just going to add some resin to this instead of varnish. It's gonna make the colors pop even more. It's beautiful. I do hope you guys love my paint kiss feather, and I also hope that I'm able to inspire you to get up and try this fun technique. You know, acrylic pouring is so much fun, guys. Give it a try if you really want to. Go for it. Thank you so much for being here, guys, and you know, don't forget to give me a like. Leave me a nice comment if you do like this video, and check out my other paint kiss technique. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you next time. Bye.